So today we're going to do the headliner. As you can see, there's nothing left to it. So we're going to pull it and we'll show you what we're going to do. This is all the stuff that we found underneath the back seat whenever we took it out. Because we had to take out the back seat to take out the headliner. We gutted the top and we took out the seat. This is a 90. Nothing in it's really worth saving. We found the headliner though. That thing's pretty sweet. Yeah, check out that headliner. Isn't that sweet, y'all? It's gonna look so nice in our car. This is our new headliner. We put it in at the junkyard. That was fun. We'll just say that. It was already recovered, and we didn't have to do anything but try not to break it and get it in there. I'm okay with it being gray. Makes me zero difference. Alright, and if you like this kind of content, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We appreciate you all watching. Come back next time.